What's up, guys? We're back. I'm back. Package drop off today. Okay. And probably head on up to the mountaintop. Get a word from the Lord. Get a word from the Most High, because I just gotta shake some of this energy off of me right now that I'm transmuting, that I'm feeling. I don't like it, but you know, it's part of being human, going through these emotions and shit. Yeah, so some of the things that I like to do to transmute like the negativity that try to come over me, or like, you know, thoughts that try and just come in and try and weigh you down or anything like that. What I like to do is, because I just had to just check myself. I'm like, hold up. What? Where's this coming from? Okay, no. Cancel, delete. No. Deep breath. So yeah, just breathe and just, you know, chant or just do some tapping or just some shaking, some jumping, maybe a little screaming. If you gotta cry, you know, you just gotta whatever it is, you know, that. And then, like, of course, play some music, play you know, some affirmations, play a praise song, maybe pray, start chanting some scriptures. You know, it's a lot that you could do to just transmute the energy that try to just come all the way over you. You know, of course, go out in nature, you know, things like that. But one thing that you must not do, that I used to do and still working on it now today, is when it come over you, just don't try and sit with it or be marinating in it or trying to think too much about it or anything like that. It's just, you gotta just shift. You gotta shift, because that shit can just take over everything. Your aura be messed up, your vibration just be all just shot, your face be all screwed up. And it's like, you don't have to stay in that vibration, that energy, that those thoughts. You know, perfect love casts out all fear. So a lot of times, just like that negativity or that just lower vibrational energy, you just got to transmute it with love. Smile, dance, laugh. Because, you know, sometimes we just take life too serious or whatever, or a situation too serious, and sometimes we could just laugh about it. Like, even if some shit is fucked up, though, it's like, just like laugh about it, like, wow, like, you know. But it can be serious, but you know, sometimes you just gotta laugh at stuff and just be like, okay, all right. And then just ask yourself, does this situation, this thing, this circumstance, this person, yada yada yada, whatever, does it really deserve my energy? And then negative energy is so strong. It's strong. And sometimes you could be like, damn, do the negativity got more power over the positivity? And sometimes it's almost like, yeah, because a lot of people in the world are vibrating on that. So collectively and etherically, you can feel more negative energy than love, because a lot of people have not activated and awakened the love within them, the Christ within them. You know what I mean? Even in the most negative situations or dealing with people, you know, you got to have a lot of spiritual maturity to navigate and just to function where you can still have your sanity. Because if, you know, we keep allowing every little thing to piss us off, we'll be we'll be out here crazy and out here bad. But yeah, that's just that. And he helps too.
Yeah. Cause she talked about it because it was trying
I just said it. It's trying to take over me. I'm shaking something off, and
I said
he's so crazy. He just
I'm like,
sometimes you want to be mad, whatever. You want to have your little moment, and he just rebuked it, and then he gonna shake it. Because yes, if one person is in a negative projection, then it's gonna project. It's gonna be like, okay, I'm in your aura field, so look, that shit can get on me. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, really though, it's like, it's no reason to be in that funk, that vibrational funk. So yes, shift that shit. Start being grateful. Start being thankful. Even if a situation don't really got nothing to do with like maybe like testing your gratitude or your appreciation or anything like that. It's just whatever negative thing that tried to steal your joy, you just still give thanks and praise no matter what. You still send up that love, because love is all, and it will dissipate any negative thing. Like your damn toenail could be cut off or something. I know that's extreme, but I don't know why that just, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it seems all worse and bad and all like that, and it could hurt and all like that, but you just be thankful anyway that you still got your toe. You know what I'm saying? The toenail gonna grow back. You know what I mean? But it's just, I mean, that's the truth. So, yeah, that's that. But I'm grateful to have a partner like this one.
Cause man, we gotta stay in that joy. You gotta learn how to conjure your best and feel that right now. Like what I'm practicing right now, I'm above the matrix. So I'm walking in that, I'm feeling that in my spirit. I'm above it. Just like people that don't have a care or a worry, they can go eat whenever they want to. They can pump the gas all the way on full. This game board on the thing has no power over me. So I'm gonna walk in that and feel that. So then eventually my reality will change, and it will become that, which is already becoming that right now. Amen. And it's a great feeling to feel above this with no limitations. It's a feeling. No matter what happens, you have to hold your vibration. You have to hold it. Negativity start knocking. It's like, no. You got to start fighting it immediately, right then and there, because it could take your whole day. It could take a week. It could take 3 days. Like, no, hell no. I don't want to feel that. There's so many things to be grateful for, so you got to do that. Soon, you better find something to be grateful for real. Just real quick, and start speaking to it like that.
Yep. And one scripture, I can't quote it exactly, but it was like, don't ever let the sun go down and you still in your rage, or you still in your anger or whatever. So, that's to say, don't let the whole day just go and you still angry, or you still mad, or you still upset over something, or you still upset with somebody or anything like that, because when you operate in that energy, that does something to your heart. It does something to your body. When you angry and bitter, and when you just all in them energies and vibrations, it can destroy your health. It can lower your immune system. Stress is an MFer, okay? Stress can take your ass out. And it's no reason to be stressed out, especially over petty little stuff like bills, or somebody hit your car or something. Like, it could be an inconvenience, yes, nonetheless, no doubt, and you have every right to have your moment, but to just, like I said, to just stay in that energy is just a no, because at any time a miracle can happen.
Amen.
At any time some good news can happen. At any time. You know what I mean? At any time, at any moment. Like, you can go from 0 to 100 at any time, at any moment. So just to hold that peace of mind and that trust and that knowing, you have to build it up like a muscle. And it can sound crazy, and it's like, okay, well, I got this going on. Okay, but look, you're stacking up and praising your problems unconsciously. And so by you doing that, you're magnifying your problems, your issues, to make it even bigger than what it is. And then also for it to just have you feeling like there's no way out.
And then you're sinking yourself more deeper into a hole of more confusion, more just
of
heaviness.
Fear, of distrust, of unbelief, of doubt, of worry, all of that. And it's like, no, God got me. You know what I'm saying? The Most High got me. I'm strapped. I'm good. You know, no matter what. At any time, this can happen. That can happen. This can come. That can come. I'm abundant. Like, you just start reaffirming the promises. You start reaffirming what you know to be the truth. What you know is the truth. Period. Above all else, baby. And you really embody that, and you walk in that, and you live by that. So then that nothing of this world, of this matrix, can take you out. Because you don't even operate. You in this shit, but you don't live in this, okay? So, yeah, because the real is not even this. It's not none of this. It's that love, it's that peace, it's that joy, it's the land, it's the earth, it's your sister and your brethren, it's just God. It's that. It's not none of this outside stuff. And so with that being said,
hallelujah.
Hallelujah. No, but with that being said, for real though, just take that in.
Take that.
Take that. Yes, sir. Got the massage kale going on. You know, got to put all the seasonings and all that good stuff on there before you massage it. You know what I mean? Got some jalapeno in there, some beach strips in there, some dill in there. Got a whole lot of good stuff up in there. And here it is, baby. Yes, baby. Look at that kale goodness. Damn. This is good.
Yeah, you know, sesame oil and a pumpkin oil.
Look, y'all.
Yeah.
He didn't. Y'all saw how much kale was in there at first. Now look at it. I just got the bowl.
Bro, we could,
and then he done took the bowl back from me.
Okay, look. If you want to, we could sell them. You know, like
kale salads.
Yeah, like post that shit on Facebook. So we can get a whole bunch of packages and then put that in there.
No, I already thought about doing.
I can make the kale wraps.
Like kale wraps.
Be like, dude, freshest kale wrap you gonna ever, freshest raw kale wrap you will ever taste.
Yeah, I already thought about that.
Hummus, this, that.
That's why I got that stuff like that.
That shit'll be crazy.
Yeah.
Be busting all that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Be making them hoes.
And then from there, you already know everything else. But what I thought about was, you know, just doing like deliveries for now. like delivering it, but not far. Like you still got to be like within range. Okay, y'all, it's been a change of plans. It's been another change of plans. we had some real business to take care of though, but now we are about to get something to eat at this Flower Child. Let me show y'all.
Baby.
Just wanted to record this dope looking bathroom. Look better in real life though, but it's just crazy how you can create a little realm of existence.
So this is the summer veggies, the winter veggies,
And
the spring veggies, and the autumn veggies. I thought that was cool.
hey, looking good, looking groovy.
Tomorrow's
Yeah.
Dave's birthday, so we're going to be doing more celebrating.
Oh, I should be going like that. Yeah, king. Out here, baby, looking good. You know what I'm talking about? Look at my magical mirror.
I know this portal, right?
Yeah, magical. Let's see if we can go in the mirror.
Y'all, so this is the Mother Earth bowl. It has grilled tofu, sweet potatoes with some type of sauce, avocado, shiitake mushrooms, arugula. It has quinoa in it, and some other stuff in it, but we got basically double of everything because we some fatties. I got hot sauce in my bag. coming up. She coming up behind that mountain. So that's what that pinkish light you see back there. So when she come up some more,
hopefully she can be seen.
She'll be seen. You just gotta give it some time. Just give it time. It's so amazing though to just see this. Guys, so I am going to get some chiropractic. I'm going to a chiropractic. Let me just put it that way. It's just this. It's a full exam, and it comes with, I think, one adjustment or a couple adjustments or something. The initial appointment for a new patient is $29. It's a little special, so I thought, why not? You know what I mean? I never got chiropractic anything done, but I'm open to it because I know the health benefits of getting cracked up and adjusted. So like I always say to you guys, you know, get body work done and stuff like that. Use your intuition though, and just feel out, you know, who you want doing stuff on you and who you don't. But my back though, my lower back, this damn thing, my lower back has been hurting, and it feels like,
pull that back out.
It feels tight sometimes, and it feels like pressure, and it feel like I just need to stretch it and stuff. So And I feel like it's that way because the very first time I had a baby, I did have an epidural. So, you know, but then also over the years, you know, just posture wise and everything, you know, just whatever the reason is, it's whatever. But we getting shit done around here, okay? Wanting to get popped up, adjusted, you know what I mean? And then one of these other days, I'm gonna go get some more acupuncture done. And yeah, I need to get a full body deep tissue massage, but that's what I got my man for, you know what I'm saying? I'm not finna let nobody touch me like that, but you know, cause you know, when you just feel good in your body, your spirit feel good, even though your spirit already is good, you know. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak, baby. This damn body, this meat suit, this avatar that we be carrying around, it get heavy, it get tired, it get trauma stored in it and all that. So we gotta get, you know, we gotta take care of our bodies, okay? And so this is a part of the self-care. This is part of that, you know. So let's go. Might I add, it is a lovely day today, despite what they tried to do this morning this rising, should I say. Let me correct myself. They tried to chemtrail the crap out of the sky, y'all, but glory be to God, huh? Move that shit right on out the way, baby. Look at that. Everything is connected. It's even connected to your spine. You see that?
Yeah.
If I stand for long, and then sometimes when I lay flat on my back, sometimes my lower back will start hurting. And I mean that's pretty much it.
Okay, so those things your height and your weight and your blood pressure.
Okay.
Then after your adjustment, you also get a session on a hydro table. So it's a heated water massage table. Just helps relax the muscles in that back and neck. So I think you'll like that.
Okay.
You're still gonna put it with the palm of your hand, feeling like this. I'm just gonna put this around your wrist. Did you feel
Oh.
Awesome. You could just rest it across your chest like this. Perfect. The doctor will be in just a
And low back pain, anything travel down into the buttocks, thigh, or leg, anything like that?
No, it doesn't travel.
Okay, so it's pretty local?
It just stays right there.
One side more than the other, or pretty equal?
It's equal.
Okay. And how long have you had it?
I kind of had that painish feeling for a while, but I feel like ever since I had children, it's just.
Okay, so I mean, this has been going on maybe years for a
Yeah.
while? Oh, okay. Tightness, spasm, weakness, imbalance, or something a little bit more serious like bone, joint, or nerve.
Okay.
So we'll do some tests, some movements. I'll look for any imbalances, asymmetries, anything like that. Please tell me if anything makes you uncomfortable. This is meant for information, not to make it worse. Okay? All right, let me have you stand. We'll start with, are we filming?
Just a little bit.
Ooh, we can't do the medical part. It branches into those spinal nerves that innervate our whole body. So the nerves that are being irritated here, They also go internally to large bowel, colon, ovaries, uterus, bladder, all of that.
Right, yeah.
So we don't want any irritation. So not only do we want to get you out of pain, but we want to make sure that we preserve your health, if that makes sense.
It makes a lot of sense.
All right, so it only takes like a moment to adjust or move the bones, but we want that healing to continue long after you leave. You know, unfortunately, muscles have memory, so it's going to want to pull you back. So it's a bit of retraining, but we'll get you there, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll start here. I'll do low back, and then we'll turn you over and we'll do your neck, okay?
Okay.
All right, so take a breath in and exhale. Good, and I'm just gonna follow your breath all the way down and just do a little push. Perfect. Relax a little more. Oh my goodness, that was tighter than I even realized.
What happened?
Oh, it's tight. He's probably been locked up for a long time.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh.
All right, lay on your right side, face me.
Okay. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, you sit on my right side.
Please, yeah, just towards me. Just take your time.
Oh.
And bring that shoulder all the way under like you're going to sleep. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I'll get you set up. So bend this top leg and slide this way. Good. And let me borrow this. Perfect. All right, so I'm just gonna hang on to you here and I just want you to relax your leg. I'm just literally gonna rotate like that.
Okay.
And I'll put my hand down here in your sacrum and we'll just open up that low back.
Okay.
Yeah, see that?
Oh.
There we go. And other side. And yeah, you can bend your legs, use your feet to help you get over to that side.
So when you really hear it, like sometimes when you like really hear it, is that on older people or just somebody? I know the sound is from gases being released, but when you really hear it, is it like just, how would you explain it? Like it's a lot of gas, or has it been locked up forever? Or
Yes, yes, and yes, all of those. So you're right, either multiple levels are locked up, it's really been there for a long period of time, or there's secondary muscles really cramping down around it. You know, and when that happens, particularly if there's one area that's primarily locked up, the area above and below has to pick up the slack. So sometimes when we're just turning or moving, we feel little early releases, or you might even turn and hear a little clicking or something. What we're really going after is the big one that's really locked up. So slide this one. There you go. I'm going to swap just so I can hold on to you. And take a breath in. And exhale. Perfect.
Oh.
yeah.
Now, here's the difference. We got not as much movement the other way on that left side.
I felt that.
The right side is moving better, so we already know that that left side's gonna take more work. Go ahead and lay on your back. I don't want you to stay twisted. Yeah, there you go. Just relax. Perfect. And just relax it. So I'm just gonna use my thumb and just do seriously a little push like that. Just keep this side real loose.
Oh.
Now, see what I mean about how much louder it seems up here? I promise they didn't hear it in the waiting room, but it seems like it. And relax that shoulder. Perfect. Now, did you notice how this side was? Yes, different.
Wow.
So this was worse up here and left worse down there. All right, let me help you up. And just swing your legs around this way. Let me just write a few of these things down if you don't mind. You did good.
There's so much tension in the body, my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys about my experience. It was good, you know, for a first time, for an initial. I actually feel like a half a layer of just tension is just relieved. So yes, the more you frequently like do this and like acupuncture, massage therapy, things like that, the more work you do on your body, the more lighter you can feel. Because I feel a little lighter. I don't feel heavy and dense and tight. So I would definitely be coming back. And as the doctor stated that we didn't film, but like she said, you have spirituality, then you have what did she say, like diet, nutrition, and then like structure. So structure will be your body, and it all goes together. It's mind, body, soul, mind, body, spirit. So when we treat all of those things with intention, with, you know, consciousness, you know, when we are intentional about our health, intentional about our well-being, that's a form of the self-love, because we've been taught to neglect ourselves. We've been taught to put ourselves last and not prioritize our health, prioritize our well-being. You know, it's one thing to eat hamburgers and fries and then you don't exercise and your mind is negative and all like that. That's basically the death frequency, because it's sowing into a destructive form. It's not life-giving and regenerative as a person who is making conscious choices and decisions in their lifestyle, how they eat, how they dress, the music they play, you know, they're in touch with their spirit, they're in tune with God, they're in tune with what is within, they're in tune with their environment. You know, they make choices to be in better environments. So then you carry a different frequency. You have a different aura about you. You have a different glow about you, a different mind. You have put on a new mind. You have put on a whole new identity, a whole new shielding armor, a whole new understanding and overstanding. Because you have did the work necessary to spiral up. You know, we've been taught to spiral down, and we're not doing that no more. All right, so mind, body, spirit, mind, body, soul, it's all one. It all go together. We can't focus on one and then neglect the other parts, because it's all encompassing. So yes, I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, we just picked up some food from this Vietnamese restaurant. So we got some tofu curry, vegan egg rolls, and vegetable fried rice, and it all looked good, y'all. I'm gonna have to show y'all. Let me show y'all. Okay, so these are the vegan egg rolls. This is the tofu curry. It's all sealed up, but when I open it, I'll show y'all better. And this is the vegetable fried rice, no egg. Told them to make it spicy. Now the other day, like a few days ago, we had spicy eggplant, and oh my gosh, it's so good. Like, so you know, it's the difference between Asian, Japanese, Vietnamese, and Thai. So Thai restaurants, you guys, like especially like an express, like if it's a Thai cuisine or like express, those usually be restaurants that be serving some good shit. As far as what I like to get, like vegetable fried rice, spicy eggplant, you know, just all the vegan, vegetarian type of options where it's no meat and things like that. But man, oh my gosh, so freaking good. Like, now yes, when I make my spicy eggplant, it be good, but how they do it at the restaurant, like that type of sauce, it's that sauce, man. It's just be like, oh. But yeah, we just about to chill. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here though. But I love y'all. Till next time.